welcome once again. And now I'm going to discuss a very confusing and a very important topic at the same time. When we give our 12th exam, when we pass the school and we have to take admission into college, there is one question which is in the brain of every Indian student at least: BTech or BSc, MBBS or BSc. That means whether they should go for a professional course or a classical traditional course. So here we'll be comparing BTech and BSc. For rest of the courses we'll be soon uploading the video. So if the question is BTech or BSc, see, let me tell you first of all about both the courses. BTech means Bachelor of Technology, BSc means Bachelor of Science, right? If you do BSc, then you do MSc, then you do research, you will be a scientist. If you do BTech, you will be an engineer. Again, if you take MTech and research, again you will be a scientist. So one BSc is a hardcore study of concepts and its application, while BTech is the application of science to develop new technology. Both are very important. You know the term science and technology. Science is BSc, technology is BTech. Fine. Okay. Now whether I should go for BSc or BTech, there are few universities in India which are top ranked and which are actually a dream come true for a student who want to take admission in BSc, and one of them is from where I belong, University of Delhi. You know the cutoff is about 98-99%, but it's not like that everyone is giving cutoff of 98 and 93. It's about 80% also, and 85 and 86. There are many colleges. There are about more than 50, 60 or 70 colleges. There are the number of courses. It depends on the course and the college in which you are applying. So the main thing is, what should I ask after 12th to myself so that I'll get the answer whether I want to go for BSc or BTech. And the question is, do I really love technology? If yes, if you really want to be an engineer, if you really love the technology, or if you are really ready to work hard, then only go for BTech. It's not like everyone is taking coaching, everyone is going for BTech, so I should also go for BTech. I should take admission in Kota or some reputed institute and clear the IIT exam and all. Because I have seen number of people taking admission into BTech, doing BTech, and after that they change their profession. Some of them go for MBA, some of them go for IAS exam and something else. It's useless. You're a science student, you're going for BTech. There's requirement of engineer. You are taking admission in BTech and then you are moving to something else. That means you did the study of engineering, but you are not an engineer. So if you haven't taken admission into BTech, there might be some other student who loves technology who had taken admission, because the seats are really very limited, and probably he would have been a very good or a very fruitful and a very useful engineer for his life and for the country and for the world. So don't go for BTech if you are not interested by heart. Okay. And if you want to go for BTech, go for JEE. There are many private colleges. Let me tell you one thing, there is no use of taking admission into private colleges. No is going to offer you a job. You're not getting anything. Okay. So all those colleges which come under JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, JEE Mains, are reputed one. And if you go for JEE Advanced, if you want to take admission into IIT, that is perfect. That is more than perfect. So be an engineer if you want to be an engineer. Second is BSc. Actually, then if you want to be a teacher, or if you love to read concepts, like me, it was very difficult for me to remember any formula, but it was very easy for me to derive that formula. I was always interested to find out the concepts rather than just remembering the tricks. If this is in you, go for BSc, do MSc, because you are a science person. You're not made for making tools or using the already discovered technologies. You're not you're not born to be an engineer. You are born to be a scientist. Go for BSc, score good marks, go for BSc from a reputed college, then clear the entrance exam for the masters. Do masters from reputed universities, like you can do from IIT also. IIT also offers masters under the GEM, or from University of Delhi or any other reputed university. Then clear the NET exam or JRF exam. Go for research work. Actually, those students who are capable or who choose to go for research are actually much more valuable than anything. We require engineers, scientists, and doctor. So if you want to be a doctor, be a doctor by your choice. If you want to be an engineer, be an engineer by your choice. And if you want to be a scientist, be the scientist again by your choice, not because everyone is doing, I'll also do. I hope concept was clear to you. For more videos, for more such videos on the various topics, and for more videos on the topics of chemistry academics, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and please keep us giving your feedback into a comment section so that we can improve further.